Biba. Um, it is time to start working on scheduling for ninth grade. You are going to register for your classes the week of January 25th if you are in person. If you are remote, then you need to have this form back to me by the 22nd so I can enter it for you. You're going to find the form on my classroom guidance page. It's at the top, ninth grade registration week of January 25th. Right underneath that, I moved up our October unit. So if you have questions about scheduling or classes, graduation requirements, college entrance requirements, it's all in this folder right underneath that. So if you click on ninth grade registration, it might very slowly, because my computer's slow today, take you to the registration form. And I made it an assignment. I guess I made it due January 29th. So the end of not next week, but the following week. When you open up the ninth grade course registration sheet, you're going to see all of the options for you. I have already checked off ninth grade English. So there's 2 semesters of it, ninth grade communications and fundamentals. Those are required, so I put X's there. That's 1 credit because 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. You have to select 7 credits and 3 alternate classes, not 3 alternate credits. All right, so for example, you have to choose a math class. All right, everything in blue, you have to choose something. Most of you are going to take algebra. So I put an X there in algebra. If you're already in algebra, you'll take geometry. If you're already in geometry, you'll take algebra 2. I already talked to you guys about global studies and AP human geography. Those are your 2 options for social studies. It took the place of Intro to Social and World History. If you haven't read the descriptions yet, those are in your social studies classes. So global studies or AP human geography. You have to choose general science or biology. And then you have to choose a FIAD, either team adventure, individual and dual lifetime, or aerobics and individual lifetime. Remember, team, if you're competitive, you want to win, you love to play, you love to compete. Individual, more laid back, still doing some team stuff, but not so competitive. Aerobics, Pilates, yoga, things like that. So take your pick there. These are required at some point. If you took health in 8th grade and passed it, you're done. You don't have to take it again. So don't check that. And digital literacy is required at some point, but not necessarily in grade 9. So then over on the other side are my elective offerings. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4.5, credits. 4.5 credits. I need 7 credits. So I need 2.5 more credits. Right? So let's say that I want to be in band because Mr. Biba would be mad at me if I didn't choose band. I'm at 5.5. And let's say that I want to take Spanish, and I was in Spanish in 8th grade already, so I'm in Spanish 2. That's 4.5, 5.5, 6.5. That means I need 1/2 a credit, and I would like to take 1/2 credit of drama. So there we are. That adds up to 7 credits now. If I were to put in 8 credits, that means that I wouldn't have a study hall, and they highly recommend a study hall. Then the alternates, I just have to put 3 X's for alternates. It could be anything pretty much over on this side or computer studies, the digital literacy. So let's say my alternates, cooking, and study skills that are going to help me learn how to do studying, and discover agri-science because I like animals. There we are. I have my 3 X's in the alternate column. I have 7 credits. I'm done, and I can hit submit. All right. Remember, you have your 4-year plan in, again, super slow computer, sorry about this, but should have showed you at the beginning. So right here in that 8th grade scheduling and career unit, it is under Thursday and Friday. That's where my 4-year plan is. So if you want to check that out, that would be a good idea to look at that first before you fill out your registration form. All right. So in-person students got that, a hard copy of that, an actual paper copy. You do not need to also do it online. If you're virtual, you didn't get a pink paper copy, then please do it online. Any questions? Send me an email. Thank you.